Welcome to the MBS Engineering channel. Today, we are going to understand the ESP internal parts water washing or air cleaning procedure. Before that, we understand the purpose of the ESP. An electrostatic precipitator, ESP, is a dust collecting device that removes particles from a gas stream by using electrical energy to charge particles. A high voltage system provides power to the discharge electrode to generate an electrical field. The particulate, entrained in the gas, is charged while passing through the electrical field. The particulate is then attracted to the grounded collector plate and forms a dust layer on the plate. Next, we are going to understand the ESP internal parts water washing or air cleaning procedure. We will discuss in detail. Topics are given below. First topic: main purpose of ESP internals water washing or air cleaning. Next, the second topic: disadvantages of the water washing. Next, the third topic: what should do before ESP water washing or air cleaning. Next, the fourth topic: preparation of ESP water washing or air cleaning. Next, the fifth topic: how to do the water washing or air cleaning. Next, the sixth topic: what should do after the ESP water washing. Next, we are going to understand the ESP internal parts water washing or air cleaning purpose and disadvantages of water washing. We will discuss in detail. First, understand the main purpose of the ESP internals water washing or air cleaning. Point number 1. To remove the abnormal dust buildup in collecting plates, discharge electrodes and their accessories, internal wrapping arrangements, walkways and GD screen and its wrapping arrangements, and then hoppers, baffle plates. Next, point number 2. It is a faster way of cleaning. Next, point number 3. To reduce the operational issues due to huge dust buildup. Next, point number 4. It will improve the operational parameters significantly, kV, milliamps. Next, point number 5. During shutdown, if required, any minor modifications or rectifications are required. Can do the rectification and modification in a dust-free environment. Next, point number 6. Water wash is not recommended for the type of dust which is acid. Next, understand what is the main disadvantages of the water washing. The main disadvantages of water washing are collecting electrodes and discharge electrodes corrode easily if the mechanical parts don't dry. Next, we understand what should do before ESP water washing or air cleaning works. Point number 1. If there is a short shutdown, ESP internals are cleaned by air cleaning method instead of water washing, because time takes to dry out. Next, point number 2. If there is a long shutdown, ESP internals are cleaned by the water washing method. Next, point number 3. After taking the shutdown, collecting electrodes and discharge electrodes of wrapping must be operated continuously for a period of time. Next, point number 4. After taking the shutdown, continuously run the ash conveying system for a few hours in order to clear off the dust. Next, point number 5. If there is too much dust in the ESP electrodes and hopper areas, the dust must be removed by manual cleaning. Next, we understand preparation or preparatory work before starting the ESP water washing or air cleaning works. Point number 1. Dismantle the expansion bellow in between the hopper and ash conveying equipment. Next, point number 2. Cover the ash conveying equipment's temporary arrangements. Next, point number 3. If planning for a water wash, prepare the water source and sufficient length of the pipes. Next, point number 4. If you plan for air cleaning, prepare a compressed air line and sufficient length of the pipes. Next, we understand how to do the water washing or air cleaning. Point number 1. Pour water or apply the compressed air from the top to bottom of the collecting plates, discharge electrodes and their accessories, internal wrapping arrangements, walkways and GD screen and its wrapping arrangements, and then hoppers and baffle plates. Next, point number 2. A huge amount of water or compressed air is required to clean the dust. Next, point number 3. Water pressure or compressed air pressure should be controlled so that the mechanical parts in ESP won't be deformed. Next, understand what should do after the ESP water washing. Point number 1. Access doors should be kept open in order to allow the ESP internal parts to dry up faster. Next, point number 2. ID fan and heaters must be turned on for a few hours to dry up. I hope all understand the purpose of water washing or air cleaning and its advantages and how to do the water washing or air cleaning in the detailed procedure. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.